Today's topic is endocrine glands. Endocrine system is a chemical messenger system. Hormones released by internal gonads of an organism directly into the circulatory system, regulating distinct target organs. The study of endocrine system and its disorder is known as endocrinology. In humans, the major endocrine glands are the thyroid gland and the adrenal glands. In vertebrates, the hypothalamus is the neural control center for all endocrine glands. Now, endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are glands of the endocrine system. They secrete their hormones directly into interstitial space and then absorbed into blood rather than through a duct. The major glands of the endocrine system are pineal gland, pituitary gland, pancreas, ovary, testes, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, hypothalamus, and adrenal gland. The hypothalamus and pituitary gland are neuroendocrine glands. Now, thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is an endocrine gland in the neck consists of two connected lobes. The thyroid is located at the front of the neck below the Adam's apple. Functional unit of the thyroid gland is the spherical thyroid follicles lined with follicular cells. We can say thyrocytes. The thyroid gland secretes three hormones. The two thyroid hormones are triiodothyronine T3 and tetraiodothyronine T4, either we can say thyroxine, and a peptide hormone, calcitonin. The thyroid hormones influence the metabolic rate and protein synthesis, and in children, growth and development. Calcitonin hormone play a role in calcium homeostasis. Secretion of the two thyroid hormones is regulated by thyroid stimulating hormone TSH, which is secreted from anterior pituitary gland. Thyroid disorders include hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, thyroid inflammation, thyroiditis, thyroid enlargement, we can say goiter, thyroid nodules, and thyroid cancer. Hyperthyroidism is characterized by excessive secretion of thyroid hormones. The most common cause is the autoimmune disorder Graves' disease. Hypothyroidism is characterized by a deficient secretion of thyroid hormones. The most common cause in thyroid deficiency. In iodine deficiency reasons, hypothyroidism secondary to iodine deficiency is the leading cause of preventable intellectual disability in children. In iodine sufficient reasons, the most common cause of hypothyroidism is the autoimmune disorder Hashimoto-thyroiditis. Now we will discuss about parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland are small endocrine gland in the neck region. Parathyroid glands are two pairs of glands usually positioned behind the left and right lobe of thyroid. Parathyroid gland produce and secretes parathyroid hormone PTH. Parathyroid hormone, also known as parathormone, is a protein nature hormone. Parathyroid hormone play a key role in regulating the amount of calcium and phosphate levels in blood and within the bone. Hyperparathyroidism and hypoparathyroidism, characterized by alteration in blood calcium level and bone metabolism, are state of either surplus or deficient parathyroid function. PTH increase blood calcium level by directly stimulating osteoblasts to break down bone and release calcium. PTH increase gastrointestinal calcium absorption by activating vitamin D and promote calcium conservation by kidneys. PTH is the major regulator of serum phosphate concentration by action on the kidney. In the inhibitor of proximal tubular reabsorption of phosphorus. Hyperparathyroidism is an increase in parathyroid hormone level in blood. Hyperparathyroidism is the result of parathyroid overactivity. This occurs from a disorder in the parathyroid glands. In the most common symptom is kidney stone, bone pain, weakness, depression, confusion, increased urination. Hypoparathyroidism. Hypoparathyroidism is decreased function of parathyroid gland with underproduction of PTH. This can lead to low level of calcium in the blood, often causing cramps and twitching of muscles or tetany. The condition can be inherited and can be caused by immune system related damage. References is Wikipedia.